chip fails all the time. It sucks when it does. Well, what can you do? So I'm just cleaning up that dance pad. Cleaning off all that burnt flux. So we can get this ready for some new flux and new solder. Yeah, some of that Kester 6040. Alright, here's our new chip. Gonna get it ready for chip landing. Just gotta line it up. Line it up. What I like to do is I like to heat it up a little bit, just to make sure it sticks on. It doesn't necessarily need to be perfectly aligned, but just that it sticks on. Just so I don't go blowing on it and then it just flies away later. Because of surface tension, it'll stick on. Now it's stuck on. And put a little bit more flux. Alright. Now we're gonna hit it with my hot air.